Alright then, so hello friends, I'm and yeah, today we're gonna play some games. Well, you see the thing is, wait, is it lagging? Okay, now it is not that much. Okay, so the thing is that I'm going to reinstall everything because I somehow messed up my Arch Linux system. Yes, I know I did, and that is why. Just forget about it. So, before I reinstall everything, I wanted to play some games, create some amazing videos with this setup. So, yep, here we are, and let's get started. And this is it. Wait, let me just do one thing. Let me just increase the volume a little more, just like that. Now it's better. So, right now I'm playing my favorite game here, and let's get started. Alright then, so you see this emote I found like really. I was just able to unlock it and yeah, the emotes are pretty great, like really. Gentlemen. And then this dance. I know what this is all about. We have this, we have the victory dance. Okay, this one looks nice. And then just a normal heart. Yep, it is indeed a pretty great game if you want to interact, have some fun with your friends and everything. And our game starts now. And here we are, and you see this is a place where you select characters, and in this game only a character can be assigned to only one person. All three of them or all two of them cannot have the same character, and that is actually a good thing. And there I go with my favorite Biao. I don't know who named them, but yeah. This character actually looks nice to me. You know, sometimes I'd like to cosplay something like that. Alright, we do have some great players in my team, but there's some other one. Number 25 Biao in India. And here we go. So where shall we land? Well, that depends on the team leader. And here we are. Okay, internet problem. Now there we go. Let's go there. Hey, I need some guns. So looks like I have Uzi, Uzi, whatever you call it.
Someone robbed me of first blood.
Attention, the safe zone countdown has commenced.
Come on, keep up. It's ugly outside the station.
Alright then, we have a sniper, a predator assault. Let me just go on with that one. A shotgun, not my type. Or maybe it is. I don't know.
Level 3.
Let's just stay with this combination.
Level 3.
Attention, XP devices have arrived.
So we are at Command HQ. Okay. So we are at this place of the map, Command HQ. And this is the circle. Alright then, let's go all in into loot.
Everyone's in the safe zone? Lovely. Time to crush them. My mind is bursting with new ideas. I need to find a target to test them out.
Found Buzzy.
This handsome face will be the last thing you see before your eyes close forever. like I forgot something. Ah, trait. This
A
has
new
the
Reaper
ability
has
to be the last
arrived.
thing you see before your eyes close forever. One of theirs is the Reaper? They'd best not die before I arrive.
Archer box is here. Let's go. We can swing by and see it.
Long range scope spotted.
So some people might think these are just pets, but they have really amazing abilities. Let me just show it to you. So as you see this one,
Halfway there.
whenever I use the pet and do it, that's what it happens. Boom. And there are a lot of pets like that. That is why this game is so immersive, I'd say. And looks like my teammates are at different directions. Let me just stay with this one.
Charge ahead.
Oh, oh, that's bad, that's bad.
Mosquitoes. Restoring shield will take a while. Use
I gotta recover. Let my teammate handle the rest.
reload.
Reload.
I'm gonna tear them apart.
Down.
And let's go. I believe he cannot.
Gotta
No
keep
one's
going.
left alive. Aww.
Okay, what the heck is that gun?
Find you again.
Looks like the Reaper is cutting our
Oh man.
Over here. Help me.
Okay.
Anybody there? Don't forget about
Well,
me.
looks like this teammate has to recover us or revive us. Well, there are certain, what do we call them? Revival points there. This game is like the combination of Fortnite along with Free Fire but with better graphics and everything. Yeah, talking about graphics, you see, the reason I'm reinstalling Arch Linux because of the performance deterioration. It's like my performance just somehow decreased by a lot of times. Like I used to play at the highest graphics quality with 70 or 80 FPS, but not anymore. And here we are revived. There we go. So let me just go there. Looks like I need to reconfigure my graphics settings in order to play decent FPS. Go back to certain stuff.
Hey guys, here.
Attention, safe zone countdown has commenced.
Okay.
All accounted for.
Yep, this should do.
Attention, airdrop delivery is underway.
Alright, I do have my
Reaper has been killed.
weapons. Nice. The FPS is still quite bad. So yeah, I do have an idea. I have this application called Core CTL, which allows me to configure my CPU, GPU, performance mode and everything. When I turn it on and then go back, it should give me sort of an FPS boost, which I cannot seem to find.
Lightning speed reload coming up.
Okay, there are enemies
Hunt them down. Empty lips are a definite.
and they kill
My
them.
mind is bursting with new ideas. I need a target to test them out.
Reloading. Let's rumble.
As you can see, the performance deterioration is really bad. I'm at literal 6 FPS. So what I'm gonna do is just relaunch the whole thing. And I don't know, sometimes it just looks like doesn't work. Yep, sometimes I feel like it does not. Well then relaunch the game. And looks like there's a bloody problem. Let me just go to my library, my games, stop it from here, confirm, and then what is that? Validating or something? Oh, it's updating. What is there to update? Oh man, 500 MBs of a new update. I do not like that. Well, what can we do? Let's just wait. You see, these are the problems I'm having on Arch Linux, and they are the reason why I need to completely reinstall the whole thing. Yep,